Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to change tooltips font color on Cisco Packet Tracer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To change tooltips font color on Cisco Packet Tracer, go to your Cisco Packet Tracer and I am going to hover mouse pointer on a device to show the tooltips font color. Look, now the tooltips font color is black. Now I'm going to change this tooltips font color. Go to Options tab on upper left corner. Now click on Preferences. Click on Font tab. Under Color section, you will find Tooltip text, and by default the color is black. Now click on the drop down here and I am going to change the tooltips color to red. Select red and now click on apply. Now close preference window. Now again hover the mouse pointer on a device. Now look, tooltips font color has been changed in my Cisco Packet Tracer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.